Alright, so we had a storm about half an hour ago. It's no longer raining, but I think it was a tornado. Andrea's not saying. Let's see. We're at Jeremy's roof rip-off here. And the swamp cooler got ripped off, and I guess the water cooler door got ripped off. The only damage we had was that door there fell off because it was tied up. I had to tie it back up. No damage to us. And the reason we think it was a tornado is because some people's skirting got sucked out. Okay, so look at the side of Aunt Browning's skirting on this side. That's not Aunt Browning's. Okay, that was Laura's. Here's Aunt Browning's place. Skirting, flopping around there, and flopping around there. So the only thing that would do that would be a drastic change in pressure. And then there's this skirting that got blown in. Garbage cans got tossed around back here. We didn't see any other damage. I had to come and move some rocks from there because that was all full of water. You see the street's full of water because the drain's not operating. Alright, let's see what's going on this side. So the interesting thing on this side, we're coming up to it, is Ernest and Laura's shed was moved off of its foundation. And when I asked her about it a few minutes ago, you know, I can see the shed being moved if it's empty. But she said, no, it's full of stuff. So we'll stop and take a look at that for a minute. There's their shed. Yeah.
Did you see his roof's completely off?
Yeah.
Oh,
And he's not home. We've been trying to call him.
oh, wow.
Do you think that was a tornado?
I don't know.
I don't know either, but I've never seen this before.
Well, I had to. Well, it could have been that the hail was just still.
I know, yeah. All right, I'll see you.
Okay.
As they were saying Amadeus. There you have it.